What's up, guys? This sky's the limit here. Today we're gonna do 1,000 subscriber giveaway. The first giveaway we doing, the first person to drop a comment, they're getting $20. They gotta have Cash App though. I'm Cash Apping them $20. So drop your comments down below. Now the second giveaway we about to do, we're about to give away a free mug, a custom 1,000 subscriber mug. But I'm gonna make it look cool. It's gonna have some designs and stuff on it like that. We're gonna do that one by the first person that sends me an email to this email address. But in the subject part, I wanted to say mug. Sorry for how it looks. Let me try to. My bad. I don't know why it looks like that. First person that send me an email to this email address will get a mug. And the first person to drop their comment down below will get $20. I know it's not a lot, but we're starting off small. And if you could drop your Cash App down in the comment too, that would help. First person that comments will get the prize. And the first person that messages this account, this email address, will get the mug. Either a custom mug or a custom t-shirt. I'll talk to whoever replies to me in the email first, and we'll go from there. Thank y'all for the support. We're going to continue uploading tutorials and more type of clothing videos, mug videos, puzzles, any sublimination you could think of. And vinyl. We're going to be doing more vinyl videos. Those are more work, but we're going to be showing y'all in-depth tutorials, and we're just going to go up from here. I'm going to try to improve everything. Just still starting out, so, bear with me. I really do appreciate all the support, and more videos are on the way. I love all y'all. Have a good day, and I'll see y'all soon. I also will be doing a follow-up video to show basically who won and stuff, giving them the prize and stuff, so y'all can know I'm actually giving away the stuff, and show them how more. I don't know if I'll do a giveaway at 2,000. Maybe I'll wait to 3,000 or 5,000, because we're already almost at 2,000, and I don't got a lot of stuff to give away like that right now. But I think when I get to 5,000 or 10,000, I will be giving away this iPad mini I have. Oh wait, no, it's not a mini. It's a regular iPad. But we'll see when we reach that road. Thank y'all for the support. Talk to y'all soon.